DIY day. We're doing a kitchen backsplash. It's a small section. It didn't take long. I had my two helpers, Kiki and Jalen, and we got it done. And it looks really, really good. It was very simple, and if we can do it, so can you. Have fun, traders.
The supplies we use, we have the towel, adhesive, grout, a notch trowel, a rubber float, gloves, a bowl, paint sticks, scissors, sandpaper, and a drop cloth. We sanded the wall before we started applying the adhesive to make the surface rough. I am applying the adhesive to the wall in small sections.
I thought when I got here, I was from the pawn shop. But guess who finna pawn something when I get through with it? That's what the plastic and rubber thing is for, the red one. Put it on there, yep, and then press it in.
Oh, this is useful.
We were just supposed to, well, this is different than the other towel, I guess. And we got to clean that upside up first.
This is right here.
Okay, Dylan. Wait a minute. We need to measure too before we put that up. Oh. Okay, get it cut off. You got to line it up.
Line up, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so it's this one. You need this one to be down there.
Just push it up. It's not gonna change, Kiki. Like, push it up. Yeah. Just have to wait. No. All you do is cut. Okay, so put it back up there so I can show the dilemma. Just put it even. The dilemma, they lined up, so what I'm gonna do is cut off a portion of those tiles that are I'm gonna cut off these extra tiles out here.
At first, we took turns with the tools, using the trowel first to apply the adhesive. Then on this wall behind the stove, each one of us put a piece of towel up. After that, we all did our own sections. In this section, I'm cutting the tile in half to put it in a smaller section of the wall. Here we are in our own sections, putting up the tile with the adhesive and pressing it in place.
This thing is like putting a puzzle together, like seriously. You gotta cut around all these sockets, 1012 sockets and stuff. He ain't working.
We are adding smaller sections of tile or individual pieces of tile in the sections around the sockets and to fill in those open spaces. Like I said, it was like putting a puzzle together. This was a very tedious portion of the tiling process, cutting out the pieces and making them fit. Some places we had to squeeze tiles, other places they went in just as easy as 1, 2, 3. Even though we only had one trowel and one rubber float, it wasn't as bad having to share it among 3 people. We just found other stuff to do while we waited. I even painted the wall behind the stove. After mixing the grout, I let it stand for maybe 10 or 15 minutes to slate, and then we started to apply it to the wall. Now this part we had to wait on each other because there was only one rubber float to apply the grout, but it didn't take as long as it seemed. I recommend reading all your instructions before starting any project. After adding the grout, we had to wipe away the grout residue with a sponge using clean water in a bucket. The instructions tell you how long you should wait before wiping away the grout. So later on, I had to add those top trim pieces of tile individually, and then I had to go back and add the grout to that as well. As you can see, we filled in all the spaces between the sockets. Those edges, the corners are squared off. We're done. Backsplash in the kitchen. One of many projects in our DIY adventures of selling our home. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell notification so you can watch the next video that we post. Thanks, traders.